Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Xfinity remote in 2026. So first of all, let's understand the basic layout of the Xumo remote. So at the top, we have two buttons. So first of all, we have the power button with the help of which you can basically turn on and off your device. After that, we have the quick access button. With the help of it, you can access quick settings and you can also use it for search. After that, in the right hand section, we have the input button with the help of which you can view and change the device input. Underneath it, we have the mute button. With the help of it, you can basically mute the voice. Then we have the play and the pause button, and as the name suggests, you can pause and resume the content with the help of this particular button. Afterwards, in the center, we have the navigation pad. You can use it to up, down, left, and right buttons in order to move through the menus. So you can press the middle button to select anything. So it is going to be the OK button. Right under, there is a back button and the home button as well. So the home button is going to take you to the main screen and the back button is going to basically take you to the previous page. Afterwards, we have the volume and the channel buttons. So you can use these in order to control the sound and switch the channels quickly. Now here is something important. You can see the app shortcut buttons here. So some of the Xumo remotes come with direct buttons for the apps like streaming services. So pressing them is going to open the app instantly without even searching for it. So if we talk about the pairing of the remote, so just in case it is not working, you just have to first of all turn on your Xfinity device. After that, you need to hold the pairing and the setup button and follow further on-screen instructions and wait for the remote to connect. Once it is paired successfully, you can control your TV volume and power directly from the same remote. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.